Hello everyone. Today I want to discuss the petroleum. As we have discussed earlier coal, today I want to discuss petroleum as well as natural gas. Do you know coal, petroleum and natural gas all are fossil fuels, as they will formed by millions of years and they can be formed by decomposition of living organisms. Okay, that's why these are the fossil fuels. And petroleum, actually petroleum is an black colored liquid and it has unpleasant smell, means the smell which is not pleasant for us, and it is viscous means thick and sticky. Okay, so petroleum is a dark colored liquid, it is viscous and it has a strong smelling also, it means unpleasant smell is there. Okay, and it is the mixture of hydrocarbons, you know, the hydrocarbons as the mixture of hydrogen and carbon. Okay, so these are the substances which are formed by the mixing of hydrogen and carbon, so it is the mixture of hydrogen and carbon. Okay, so petroleum, actually it is derived from the rocks. Actually it is present between the two impervious rocks. Impervious means non porous, it means that these rocks will not allow to flow that petroleum through it. Okay, and before that or below that petroleum the water is present. As you know, petroleum is lighter than water, that's why it will float on the water. And usually the along with the petroleum natural gas is also present. It means above the petroleum the natural gas will be present. Okay, it may be present or it may not be present. It is not compulsory that all the time both are present. Sometimes only natural gas will be present, and if petroleum is there, then upper or above than the petroleum natural gas is present. Petroleum is the byproduct, mainly petroleum has unpleasant smell, so as such it is not able to used us. We can use the important fractions from it, and these different fractions have very useful, these are very useful for us. These fractions are petroleum gas, then petrol, diesel, kerosene, paraffin wax. Okay, and one more is there, that is bitumen. Nowadays that is used for the purpose of road surfacing in place of coal tar. Okay, so these are the different products or fractions which are obtained by refining of petroleum, and the petroleum refining is done in the petroleum refineries with the process is fractional distillation. And according to the fractional distillation, these different products will be arranged according to their boiling points. Whose boiling points is lower, they will be arranged at the rise at the up and rises, and the below boiling points will be at the bottom. So they have different boiling points, according to that they are arranged. Now let us start the petroleum. Actually what is petroleum? And I have told you that petroleum is just how it will be formed. Actually petroleum is formed by decomposition of marine animals, that marine organisms, they may be plant or they may be animals. When they will be decomposed by anaerobic bacteria, then what's happened, due to the high pressure and high temperature, they will be changed into the petroleum. That petroleum will be liquid, that means that solid substance will be changed into the liquid form by high pressure and temperature, and it will be just present in the surface, under the surface of earth. Okay, mainly it is present in the crust. Now this is present between the two layers of the impervious rocks. That's why that petroleum, its name is giving its definition. Petra means rock and oleum means oil, means the oil which is obtained from the rock is known as petroleum. And most of the that most of our economy is depend on the petroleum reserves. Got it? Means the nation or economic of the nation will be depend on the petroleum reserves. So that's why the petroleum is also called black gold, because its color is black, and due to the economic importance, petroleum is known as black gold. Okay, so you can write here also. Let me write first. Let me explain that petroleum is a dark colored, viscous, strong smelling liquid. Means the smell which is not pleasant to us, strong smelling will be there. The name has been derived from petroleum, petra meaning rock, and oleum means oil. Crude petroleum is also known as crude oil or crude petroleum also. Okay, because this petroleum is not useful as such, we need the useful products from it. That's why we will do the refining. Refining means, what is the meaning of the refining? It means we have to purify it. We should purify the petroleum by fractional distillation process. Okay, so that crude petroleum is a complex mixture of solid, liquid and gaseous hydrocarbons that will be mixed with water, salts and other particles. It is the mixture of compounds mainly. It means, you know that petroleum contains butane. Mainly butane is present into the petroleum, and butane is C4H10. So it is an compound. It is an hydrocarbon, C4H10. Okay, and also it is also lighter than the water. That's why it floats on water, and insoluble in water. That's why it will not soluble in water, and it will float above the water. Okay, so that petroleum is always present above the water. Got it? And when how we will just obtain this petroleum? We can obtain this petroleum by drilling this petroleum well. We will drill it. Then when we will drill these, so first which gas will come? Natural gas will come, and after the natural gas, the petroleum will coming outside. Okay, so that's like that we will just drill that petroleum, or we can drill it, and we can get the petroleum as well as natural gas. Okay, so petroleum is also known as black gold. So you can write, it is also called black gold. Because of the economic importance, it is known as black gold. Okay, now after refining, it produces many fractions. So various, first how we can separate the fractions. So we can separate the fractions by the process of fractional distillation method. So that is known as, that separation technique, that is known as refining. Or refining is mainly, we can just purify the petroleum. By purification we can get the various functions. So before that we will write the definition of refining, and many fractions are there which are very useful for us. What are the various fractions? So various fractions, these fractions, actually various fractions of petroleum you can write. These fractions will be obtained by the process of fractional distillation, and this will takes place in the petroleum refineries only. Okay, it will be heated up, and we will get these fractions. So various fractions of petroleum are what are these fractions? Petroleum gas is used as a fuel. Okay, it is used as a fuel, and mainly you have heard about that LPG. LPG is also a petroleum gas, but that LPG means liquefied petroleum gas. That gas is compressed by providing the high pressure and low temperature. So by putting the high pressure and low pressure, high pressure and low temperature, that petroleum gas is changed into the LPG. That liquefied petroleum gas we will use in our kitchen daily for cooking purpose. Okay, so LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. So you can write it liquefied petroleum gas. Liquefied petroleum gas. Somewhere it may be written that liquid petroleum gas, but it is liquefied petroleum gas, and that liquefied petroleum gas contains an compound. Which compound is present into it? Mainly it contains butane. Butane is an hydrocarbon which is present into LPG. So main component of the LPG is butane, and the formula of butane is C4H10. Okay, C4H10. This is the formula of butane. Okay, so this hydrocarbon is present into the LPG. Which one main hydrocarbon? Butane is present. Now write these notes. If you have not written, please pause the video. Otherwise you can write all these notes with me. That will be better for you. Okay. And how the petroleum is formed? This petroleum is formed by the marine organisms. When marine organisms will be just dumped and decomposed before many millions of years ago, then they will be dumped into the earth crust and they will be covered by the clay and mud. Okay, then there will be the layers, mud and clay layers will be deposited over there after millions of years. Due to the high pressure and temperature, that will be decomposed by anaerobic bacteria into the liquid form, that is the petroleum. Okay. You know that petroleum is formed by the two words petra and oleum. Petra means rock and oleum means oil, which means that oil which is present between the rock is petroleum. Okay. So we are doing the fractions. We have written one fraction, that is petroleum gas, and LPG is also obtained by this this petroleum gas. Okay. Now, do you know if the gas, this LPG has leaked, then can you identify it? Can you detect how it will be leakage? It will be leakage. Actually, that butane does not have any smell and the petroleum gas does not have any specific smell. So if it will be leak, then we cannot identify it. But there is an chemical which is used in or which is mixed in the LPG. That chemical is ethyl mercaptan. So because of that ethyl mercaptan, we can just detect the smell of leakage of LPG. Otherwise we can't. So you can write that also, ethyl mercaptan. It is a chemical which is used to detect the leakage of LPG. Used to detect the leakage of LPG. Okay. So ethyl mercaptan is used to detect the leakage of LPG. Okay. So when the LPG has leaked, then we are not able to find out that leakage of it, because there will be no smell, specific smell is not present over there. But that along with the LPG, that this chemical is mixed by it, and this chemical is ethyl mercaptan, which is used to detect the LPG, leakage of the LPG. Okay. Now this is the first petroleum product or fraction. Okay. Now second, you can just heard about the kerosene. Kerosene is used in wick stoves for the cooking purpose, so it is also used as a fuel. Okay, it is liquid form and used as a fuel, or it is used for the purpose of lighting in the lantern. Okay, so that is kerosene. Then third, petrol is used here. Where petrol is used? Petrol is used also as a fuel in light vehicles. Okay, for the transportation, light vehicles like cars, like scooters, scooties, motorcycles or motorbikes, we are using these. So this petrol is used in the light vehicles. Okay, so it is used as a fuel. Then petrol is used as a fuel. After that, diesel is also used as a fuel. Okay, then diesel is used as a fuel, in heavy vehicles like buses, then tractors, trucks, that these diesel we are using for these, for the heavy vehicles we are using. So that is used as a fuel in heavy vehicles. Okay, so this one. Then after that, paraffin wax. With the help of this, we can make the many things like dyes, that face cream that we are using for the face. Okay, then paints, fibers. Okay, so synthetic fibers. So many things we can just use as an component or raw materials for that paraffin wax. Okay, so we are using the paraffin wax for making the dyes, drugs, etc. or creams. Got it? You can write dyes, creams, paraffin wax. Okay, you know that Vaseline we will use. So that Vaseline we are using it. So, okay, it will use to make the Vaseline. You can write here Vaseline, explosives, paints. So many things are formed or manufactured with the help of paraffin wax. Now next, lubricating oil. Actually, lubricating oil is that oil which is used for the lubrication purpose. It means it will minimize the friction between the parts of the machines. So lubricating oil is used for the lubrication in the machines. Okay, so lubricating oil is used in machines for lubrication. Okay, so you can write for lubrication. Got it? And last one, that is bitumen. It is that bitumen is an also fraction, that is the petroleum fraction or petroleum product. This product nowadays used in the road surfacing in place of coal tar, and it is used for the roof also, for the waterproofing purpose. Okay, so bitumen is used mainly nowadays, it is mainly used in the road surfacing. So used in road surfacing. It will be used in place of coal tar. So it is replaced the coal tar in place of coal tar. coal tar. Okay. So these are the different fractions and their uses. Just you will learn these fractions and their uses. Okay, and you should remember that petroleum gas is compressed by high pressure and low temperature, and that will be formed LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas, and that contains mainly butane. Okay, and it will be detected by using this chemical that is known as ethyl mercaptan. Okay, I would like to say that thank you and have a nice day.